Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to sign into Roblox account using the Roblox application on your mobile device. Whether you are a seasoned player or new to the platform, this guide will walk you through the latest sign-in method. First of all, open up the Roblox application on your mobile device and from the main welcome screen, click on Sign In to log into your existing account. Now, in the sign-in area, you can sign in using your username, email, or phone number associated with your Roblox account. Type in one of the credentials in the text box and then tap on Next. On the next page, write down your password associated with your Roblox account. If you don't remember the password, tap on Trouble signing in and follow through the instructions to reset to a new password. You can also sign in using an email code. If you don't want to type in your password or if you've forgotten it, tap on Email code and you'll receive an email verification code sent to you via email inbox. Simply go ahead and open up your email inbox and you'll receive a code from Roblox. Open it up and copy the code inside it or simply type it down manually. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, then you'll need to go through that as well. Enter the verification code sent to you via inbox, and then after you do that, you will be logged into your Roblox account. That's how you can easily log in to your existing Roblox account in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.